Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to measure honey. Now, it seems simple, but it's very, very sticky, as you know. And so there's this one little trick that you can use to make measuring honey for your baked goods or whatever you're using it to cook with super, super simple. Let me show you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of cooking spray. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can put some oil on a basting brush and move it around and completely coat the inside of the measuring cup. You can use a paper towel. Just for convenience of showing, I'm just going to use some cooking spray. Just want to make sure you get it completely coated. And the thing that's nice about using cooking spray is it's usually pretty neutral flavor. So then fill it up with the honey. And then it's just as easy as that. The honey will pour out rather easily and it won't stick. Well, some of it might still stick, but a whole lot less will stick. As you can see, the cup is pretty empty in comparison. Now, if I had not had the cooking oil in there, I'd be using my finger. I'd probably be tasting it too, but the honey would definitely be sticking in there. So that's just a really easy, simple trick for like when you're adding honey to whatever recipe you're adding honey to make sure that you get it out of the measuring cup or measuring spoon as quickly as possible. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, hey, drop a comment below. And I release cooking videos every single week, a couple at a time. So if you want to see them, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.